Hello, teacher.
Welcome to EVUS speaking test today. Could you introduce yourself?
My name is Lisa. My birthday is on August 2nd. I'm from Vietnam and I'm friendly and I like to play badminton.
Okay, thank you, Lisa. So, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza, okay. Where is your school bag made?
My school bag made in Vietnam.
Made in Vietnam, right. Now, I have two pictures for you. Look at here, Lisa. And could you find out 4 differences for me?
In the picture A, they are standing, but in the picture B, they are sitting. In the picture A, the boy is playing violins, but in the picture B, a boy is playing drum.
Good.
In the picture A, there's a museum, but in the picture B, there's a hospital.
Okay, one more.
In the picture A, the college has a flag.
Oh, in picture A, the college has no flag.
In the picture A, the college has not a flag.
Okay, has
But-
no flag.
But in the picture B, the college has a flag.
Okay, very good, Lisa. Now, next part is the information exchange. First, you're gonna ask me some questions about Daniel's favorite food, and I will answer your questions. Okay?
Yes.
Let's start. Now,
What is Daniel's favorite food?
okay.
When
No, just a single question. So, Daniel's favorite food is spaghetti.
when does Daniel have?
Okay, Daniel have it in the afternoon.
Where does it come from?
Okay, it's come from Italy. All right. Next,
What ingredients does it have?
very good. It has noodle, beef, tomato sauce, and lastly,
How many steps to make it?
there are 6 steps to make it. Now, it's your turn to give me information about Jenny's favorite food. Okay?
Yes.
Now, what is Jenny's favorite food?
Jenny's favorite food is hamburger.
Hamburger. When does Jenny have it?
Jenny have it in the morning.
In the morning. Where is it from?
It's from the USA.
Very good. What ingredients does it have?
It has bread, beef, and cheese.
Very good. And how many steps are there to make it?
There are 5 steps to make it.
Very good. Okay, Lisa, you have 1 part left in your speaking test, and I believe you will do well in this part. For the final parts of your speaking test, I would like you to talk about some things from some place, okay? Now, here's your instructions. Let's go. So what would you like to talk about?
My name is Lisa. I like to shop at the bookstore because it has beautiful school things. I can buy the books, the pens, school things, and bags. The books are made in Vietnam. The bags are made in South Korea, and the school things are made in Japan. and the pens are made in Ecuador.
Okay, very good. Right, thank you, Lisa. That is good enough. Now, that is the end of your speaking test today. Thank you for coming, Lisa. Now let's say goodbye to our audience. Goodbye.